In today's video, let's see the reactivity hazard management on chemical tankers. Reactivity hazard: a chemical cargo may react in a number of ways, for example, with itself, water, another cargo, other materials, or air. In the event of a cargo tank self-reaction, the reaction can spiral out of control. Styrene is a substance that, if not prevented, will progressively polymerize at room temperature. The process of polymerization produces heat, which in turn accelerates the process. Checking the temperature of the cargo tank is necessary, and the cargo tank's oils must be isolated. Because some inhibitors require oxygen to function, the inert gas's oxygen concentration must be high enough for the inhibitor to be effective. Self-reacting commodities require complete segregation and cannot be stored next to heated cargo. However, it might not be possible to prevent heat transfer from a hot cargo through an adjacent tank to the self-regulating cargo with just one tank separation. Permissible temperature limit for the self-reacting cargo: temperature differentials between heated and the self-reacting cargoes, the volume and specific heat capacity, SHC, of cargo in the adjacent tank, the temperature limits and time period for the inhibitor or remain active, the expected length of the voyage. In considering the above, the following should be recognized: polymerization is accelerated by heat, inhibitors becoming depleted with increasing temperatures. The critical runway temperature is the point at which the reaction cannot be arrested. An exothermic reaction is self-sustaining and rapid. Polymerization causes volumetric expansion, resulting in uncontrolled venting which may exceed the capacity of the venting system and lead to tank rupture. Voyage planning should include understanding of charterer's instructions and contacts for emergency advice, receipt of inhibitor certificate, and understanding of temperature and time limits. Temperature monitoring, including rate of any increase, temperature alarm settings, possible methods of cooling to reduce rising temperatures, emergency response. It's common to claim that cargo like diisocyanates and oxide react with air, but it's more fair to say that they react with the moisture in the air. They must therefore be transported in extremely dry tanks containing air or nitrogen at a very low dew point, like -45 degrees Celsius. To prevent mixing, cargo shouldn't be stored in tanks that are next to one another or, in some situations, have empty tanks between them. To confirm that the commodities to be transported are compatible with the tank material and coatings, it is necessary to reference the Material Safety Data Sheet, MSDS. Hazards to the environment: if certain chemicals are discharged into the air or water, they pose a serious hazard to the ecosystem. Chemical marine contamination may result from unintentional or intentional release into the water. Examples are collisions and stranding, jettisoning to secure the safety of the ship or to save life at sea, tank cleaning and line flushing, tank overflow, leaking hoses or loading arms, equipment failure. IBC Code Pollution Hazard Criteria. In Module 4, Section 2, Hazard Profile Table, the IBC Code's water, air, and marine pollution hazard standards are discussed, as well as the control of marine pollution by MARPOL Annex 2. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Let us know your questions or comments in the comment box below. For more such videos, subscribe to MarinAura.